Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PowerPoint slides using Canva. So if you are very familiar with PowerPoint, you understand that PowerPoint is amazing, but then it's not as flexible for designing as Canva. Now, something you should understand is that you can also use Canva to make PowerPoint slides and export it as pptx file. You understand? So very quickly, you go to your when you open your Canva dashboard, this is what you see. So you click on create a design. When you click on create a design, you will search for presentation. All right, so when you search presentation, you choose the first one here. So we just choose the first one. That's the dimension we need. Okay, so this is our presentation. This is how it opens up. So the difference between this presentation and the other ones that you and the other design you just click on create a new design is the fact that you have your slides at the bottom here. So you have one page, second page, and third page. Unlike the others whereby the page is one under the other one. So this one is like a slide, you get it. So we'll start designing. We'll add a piece of text. This will just be a dummy slide. There'll be nothing really serious about it. We just add this is a slide. This is a test slide. All right. So I will just do some editing. I will just change the font to something I like. Then I'll just change the background. I'll just change the background, do some editing. Okay. Now I'll change this color to white. I need it to be white. All right. Okay, this is good. So this is the first slide, and then we'll just add another slide here. So you can also click on these three dots at the top of the slide. You can see my mouse pointer. Click on these three dots, and then you can choose to duplicate the page if you want to. So we'll just leave that. We'll just add. We'll just go over to this slide, and then we can add anything we want to add. Now I found this mushroom almost accidentally, but then I'll just leave it this way or at the bottom. Okay, we'll just add something. We can just say, okay, let me copy this. Let's use this as an example. Take for instance, I'm making a presentation on the importance of mushrooms to our body. our bodies rather, or to our health. I think that's better. I'll just leave this here. What does it mean? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But then let's just be there to fill up the blank space. All right. So now we have our presentation is just two slides, this and this. Now, for you to export your design, you should already be used to exporting your design as a PNG file or as a JPG file. So you come over to download, and then you can choose the format if you want to export it as PDF or as JPG or as PNG. But now, since we want to export it as a PowerPoint presentation, what you would not come here, you go back, just click on share, and then you come over to more. You see this more, you click on it more, and then you scroll down. There's this share section. That's not where we are going to, it's not what we are looking for. There's the social section, that's not what we are looking for. And then there's the save section, this is what we're looking for. So when you come to the save section, you see Microsoft PowerPoint. So you click on Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you choose how many pages, which of the pages of this presentation you want to export as PowerPoint. So we'll just click on everything. So this is the first page and the second page. So yes, we're exporting the two pages. So click on done, and then you can choose to save download settings in case you want to export another presentation next time. So we just click on download, and then our file is downloading. pptx file is downloading. So exactly, this is our presentation. It's in pptx format. So you can now take this file and upload it to your Microsoft PowerPoint and continue your editing, or you can use it for in a present as a presentation wherever you want to use it as a presentation. So that is it for this video. Usually when I'm to make presentations, oftentimes than not, I usually use Canva for creating my presentation because I find it easier and better than Microsoft PowerPoint actually. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.